I've made almost $2,000 extra in the past 4 days. I want to show you how I did it and how you can do this as well. So let me share my screen. This is the balance. This is live. Let me refresh it so you know what I'm telling the truth. I'll go back to settings and payouts. This is the balance. So 4 days, and I'll show you the 4 days in a second. This is how much I have made. And then this is the recurring revenue, monthly recurring revenue that I've already built up. So every month, $366 will be for these 4 days alone. This what I've gained will be paid to me. I also have conversion rates of 12%. That's crazy. And again, $1,859 since Friday, 4 days ago. So I'll show you here the welcome. This is when I started this List Builder Pro membership, and I have a few memberships. This is not my main membership, but this is one that I have that's really valuable. And I want to show you behind the scenes of the thought process to do it, why I did it, how I did it, and then why it's making me money. So if you're not familiar with me, I'm Arlan. I have raised more than $30 million in the past decade. I used to be homeless right before that, though. And so I've been spending a lot of time working with entrepreneurs, teaching them how to make money. I invest in some entrepreneurs and have several, but I also teach people how to make revenue because when I was broke, it was always this thing of like I didn't know exactly how to make ends meet, and it was always so scary. So I have this like chip on my shoulder where I want to help other people. Okay, so fast forward to today, I have a couple of books. I have It's About Damn Time. Let me show you real quick. I have this book. I have a book called Your First Million. I have a lot going on. And I have this main membership, which is actually this one. And I just showed you a lot of behind the scenes just now accidentally. But I have this main membership that has almost 400 members. It costs $100 today, $100 a month, or $600 per year. And I can actually just show you that real quick too, because I don't mind. So it has $26,000 in monthly recurring revenue. In the past 7 days alone, I've had 1,000 visitors. We have about a 1% conversion rate. We've done course sales. But beyond that, I'll turn that accident into something real. I've had, let's do the math real quick. I know it's more than $80,000, more than $80,000 since, let's say, exactly 2 months ago when I started this membership. So this membership is about how do you start memberships and how do you work on YouTube, which is what I do. And so on Friday, just a few days ago, 4 days ago, I woke up and I said, I teach people how to make memberships. How can I show people that it's not just the main membership with $100 a month that makes people money, and show them how to just start? So as a case study, I created this. The way that I thought of this was, what does someone need to be able to do well in order to then join my membership, my main membership? There are a lot of things that if you learned how to do them, it would help you. And one of them is building your email list. So I thought, what if I started an email list membership that cost $9 per month or $50 per year as an intro price. So the first 1,000 people, I'll take you to this page. The first 1,000 people you see here are locked into that rate. They get $9 a month, that pay $9 a month or $50 a year. And then prices are going to go up after that. So I have 60 members in 4 days. I made a couple of YouTube videos about list building. I also made this on Friday. It took me about 3 or 4 hours to put this together, where I teach you how to get the foundations, and then I teach you how to go from 0 to 100, choose your email platform, all of that. I even have some affiliate links here that help me make more money, but it's all super helpful. And the thing here is that it teaches you one main thing. It's not this big thing like Arlen's All Access, which teaches you a lot of things. This teaches you one main thing. How do you go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in 90 days? So that's why it is appealing. So these 30 plus 60 is 90 days. I have some hacks. I have that. And then I can promote my larger membership because it helps you. If you get 1,000 people on your list, you want to be able to monetize that. So you see, it's like a process. So going back, that's why I did it. And I did this on school, and I can put a link in the description and show you how to set up your own school membership. But if you click on settings and again go back to the dashboard, I have 59 paid members. I have 366 monthly recurring revenue. This is in 4 days. So if you divide that, that means I'm making approximately $100 a day. And that means I could conceivably, if it keeps going this way, could conceivably make what is it? Let me do it in math. $3,000 in monthly recurring revenue just as it is today. But the cool thing is I also sell yearly. So that's why this much is here. So if you divide this by four, that's $460, give or take, for 4 days. And again, so per day. So if you do that, you do maybe 500, it's about $14,000 a month total. $14,000 per month. A portion of that would be monthly recurring. The rest of it would be people coming in and paying that yearly rate. And they all would be getting all kinds of great information from you. So what could you create a membership to do, right? That's why I started Arlan's All Access. You come into Arlan's All Access, you join us here. You'll get this video, get this hour-long video that teaches you a few things about, like, it's like a master class that teaches you how to start a membership and all the numbers that you need to know. And then you see how people are just going crazy on the leaderboard over here. It's really awesome. And then when you come in, you have this classroom of like, just the most amazing things that will get you started. Let me show you actually some. So look, it's official. I've hit 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Hey, Arlen's All Access family, I had to share this because since joining the group, I've been committed and finally hit over 1,000 subs on YouTube, my first milestone. Talks about that. You see everybody's like blowing her up. And then let's see. There's a bunch of stuff going on in here. Yeah, people have recognized me from my IG. That's amazing. I'm gonna like that. They're doing a bump sale experiment, which is what I taught them inside of this, how you can make some extra money. You can make a few hundred or a few $1,000s extra over the weekend. My stationery shop is open, which is amazing. I just posted my second new YouTube video. We're learning all about this. This is what makes this group so special. I wanted to give thank you to the AAA group, right? So these memberships are so, so cool. I just can't tell you enough about them. They're so amazing. They're so rewarding. And if you can think of what can I teach people, and I know I have a large audience, but I teach you how to build your audience, first of all, with List Builder, but also inside of Arlen's All Access, how to build your audience, how to decide what you're going to create, and then how to build your membership in just a few hours. You saw with List Builder, I built that in 4 hours. And in 4 days, I've made $1,850 and counting. Okay. This is something that you're going to want to look into. Even if you don't quite get it yet, even if you don't believe that you have the audience or the skills or the patience, all of that, check out the links below in the description. Just check them out and see. Try it for a month and just see if it works for you. So many people started that way in Arlen's All Access or with List Builder Pro. You can just start with a little bit of risk and they've come out of it like a completely different person. So I just wanted to tell you about that because I'm building in public to show you that it can be done. Now, you might not have those exact same results, but let's say that it costs $100 on school per month to have a school membership. Let's say that you build one in 14 days, you get like a 14-day free trial. Let's say you build one over 14 days, you start inviting people to it. You can choose between a free or a paid. I teach you all about that inside of Arlen's All Access. But let's say you choose a paid one. You charge people $9 a month or $50 a year, like I just did. And you get like 10 members, 20 members, and each one of them is worth maybe $30 up front with those pricing. It's $350, $500 and you're paying $100. And then every single day you're building more and more and more. And then you have a lot of that is recurring revenue. The recurring revenue is it. If you don't have something that has recurring revenue, you're missing out on a major, major key to your company.